In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your online status on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, select your profile icon in the top left corner. Within here, make sure you're in the Users section in the menu on the left, and then scroll down and choose Friends Settings. You can now change who can see your online status with the option at the top, so to hide this, set it to no one. You could also head back a page and then scroll back up and choose Play Activity Settings. Then you can change who can see your play activity as well. That's how to hide your online status on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.